Hi. In this lesson, we're going to explore the idiom kettle of fish. This phrase may sound strange, but it has interesting meanings and history. Meanings: a fine kettle of fish means a bad or troublesome situation. A pretty kettle of fish is another way to say the same thing, often with a slightly humorous or sarcastic tone. A nice kettle of fish also refers to a difficult or unpleasant problem, using nice ironically. A different kettle of fish means something totally separate or unrelated, another matter altogether. The literal meaning refers to an actual cooking pot used for boiling fish, especially in traditional outdoor feasts. Example sentences. 1. When the project files got deleted, it turned into a fine kettle of fish for the whole team. 2. Arriving at the wedding in jeans was a pretty kettle of fish for Mike. 3. Losing the reservation at the hotel was a nice kettle of fish right before our holiday began. 4. Talking about climate change is a different kettle of fish compared to daily weather discussions. 5. Back then, a kettle of fish was a real pot where salmon was cooked for guests at river feasts. Origin and history. The phrase likely has roots in 18th century Britain, particularly around the Scottish borders. Wealthy landowners near rivers like the Tweed used to host outdoor events where they would boil fresh salmon in large kettles and serve them to guests. These social gatherings were sometimes called a kettle of fish. This literal tradition may have influenced the figurative expression, especially in the sense of a situation where things could become messy or complicated. An alternative theory connects kettle to kittle, a kind of fish trap or weir, though this is less certain. The idiom, a pretty kettle of fish, first appeared in print around 1742 in the novel Joseph Andrews by Henry Fielding. Over time, it gained variations like a fine kettle of fish and a different kettle of fish with slightly different meanings. Although the literal custom was Scottish, the idiomatic usage likely developed in England. Synonyms: a can of worms, a fine mess, a sticky situation, a tight spot, a muddle. Closely related words: dilemma, predicament, tangle, trouble, confusion. Variants of kettle of fish: a fine kettle of fish, a tricky or problematic situation, a pretty kettle of fish, a sarcastic way of saying something's gone wrong, a nice kettle of fish, another ironic way to describe a mess, a different kettle of fish, a completely unrelated or different matter. Now it's your turn. Try using one of these phrases in a sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more idiom lessons. See you in the next one.